Welcome to Zoffec. Today we're going to unbox the Sophos XGS 2100 Firewall. Let's dive right in. First off, we have the quick guidebook and safety instruction manual. Here we have the console cable, and here's a patch cord. We also have a box of screws and other tools. These will come in handy for mounting and securing the firewall in your setup. And finally, the firewall. On the front, we have 8 ports, including one WAN port and a DMZ port. And here's the back of the firewall. Pretty straightforward, but let's not forget the power cord, which is crucial for powering up this beast. If you found this unboxing helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech and cybersecurity content. Until next time, stay safe.